I'm done, guys. And this is the ID. If you want to see this, it's want to check this if you want it. And let's go to sa let's add some red, this green, and go to the bottom. Find local script. This copy paste. Go this one local script and go to paste and copy this. Copy this. And this it is. Oh, I forgot to turn the this one. Let's check it. Just type full mega. Look, full mega. Oh, shit. I forgot. Okay,